Hello everyone. Welcome to SKLEARNING C#.NET interview series. In this video, we'll explore the difference between boxing versus unboxing. In boxing, it converts value type into an object type. Boxing is an implicit conversion process. Here, the value stored on the stack copied to the object stored on the heap memory. NET CLR boxes a value type, i.e., wraps it in System.Object instance and stores it on the managed, garbage-collected heap. Reference type variables, which are essentially references, are stored on the stack, while the actual data they point to is stored on the heap. In unboxing, it converts an object type into value type. Unboxing is the explicit conversion process. Here, the object stored on the heap memory copied to the value stored on the stack. In cases such as unboxing of a null object or casting the object as an incompatible data type, the program throws exceptions. An unboxing operation consists of, first, checking the object instance to make sure that it is a boxed value of the given value type. Second, copying the value from the instance into the value type variable. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to SKLEARNING for more informative content.